Hello, today we will guide you through how to create FX Replay account. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google. This is the quickest way to find the official FX Replay website, especially if you are setting this up for the first time and do not already have the site bookmarked. Once Google is open, type in FX Replay in the search bar and run the search. Make sure you spell the name correctly so the right result appears near the top. If you see similar results, take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the official FX Replay website. From the search results page, click on FX Replay. This should take you to the main homepage. When the site loads, give it a second to fully appear so you can clearly see the navigation options and buttons available on the page. Next, look to the top right corner of the FX Replay homepage and click Get Started. This is the option that takes you to the account creation page. If the website layout looks slightly different on your device, the same option should still be visible somewhere near the top area of the page. On the sign up page, enter your email address in the field provided. Be sure to use an email account that you can access, since many platforms may ask you to confirm your identity or verify your email before you can fully use your account. After entering your email, click the sign in option shown on the screen, then continue by following the on-screen procedure. The exact prompts may vary slightly depending on your browser, location, or whether you have used the service before. So just read each screen carefully and proceed step by step. There may also be another step where you can choose to sign in with Google. If that option appears and you prefer a faster setup, click Sign in with Google. This can simplify the process because it connects your account using your existing Google login. Just select the Google account you want to use and continue with any prompts that appear. As you go through the setup, take your time and review each screen before clicking forward. That helps prevent mistakes and ensures your account is connected the way you want. Once you complete the final on-screen instructions, your FX Replay account should be ready to use. And that's it. You've successfully started the account creation process for FX Replay.